In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in HubSpot. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring that you follow each step correctly is important, especially when dealing with valuable CRM data. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you will want to navigate to the CRM. The CRM section is essentially the heart of your HubSpot interface, where you manage all your contact information and sales tools. So, go ahead and click on the CRM from your dashboard. You should now see a variety of options related to customer relationship management on your screen. Now that we're in the CRM area, the next step is to locate your contacts. For that, simply find and click on Contacts. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your existing contacts stored within the HubSpot system. Visualize this page as your central hub for people and companies you are in contact with. From here, you can manage, sort, and interact with your contact list. Once you're viewing your contacts, you need to select the one you wish to delete. Beside each contact, there's a small box. By clicking the box next to the contact's name, you're selecting it for the next action. It's worth mentioning that you can select multiple contacts if you need to delete more than one at a time. Bear in mind, however, that this action is irreversible, and you'll lose any data associated with the contact, so make sure you're ready to proceed. Following the selection of your contact or contacts, your next step is to click on the Delete button. This button is usually located towards the top of the contact list page, often alongside other management options. By clicking Delete, you're preparing to remove the selected contact from your database. You will then likely be prompted to confirm this decision. Deleting a contact is a critical action, so HubSpot will ask you to validate your choice. This extra step is a safeguard, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove necessary data. Simply click Delete again when you're sure everything is correct. After that's done, your contact will be permanently removed from your HubSpot CRM. And there you go. It's as easy as that. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a contact from HubSpot. Remember to be cautious as you manage your contact list, verifying your selections to protect essential information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more HubSpot tips and tricks.